This paper airplane is so cool because it flaps its wings when you throw it. And I'm going to show you how to make it. Fold the paper in half in portrait position. Now half fold it in portrait position. Now you're going to want to do the same thing on the other side. And now you're going to fold these corners. Make sure to do the same on the other side. Now you have your almost ready base. Fold your corners again, but the other way. And now repeat that on the other side. Now you're going to open your plane up. And you're going to fold the top down. Now you're going to fold the bottom up. And fold the top triangle down. Now you have your base. You're going to fold that in half. Fold that way. And now do the same on the other side. This part can be tricky because the paper gets stiff. Now you have your paper airplane. It is very cool and it can flap its wings when you throw it.